Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have the Divoom Pixel Max. This is the customizable pixel artboard. It's basically it's a 23 by 23 LED display that you can configure however you want. You can do the time, the date, the weather. You can do your own animation video. They have tons of different features on here. See, it has mood lighting, a music visualizer, so it goes to the beat of music, and it's a multi-purpose display. Now this one I have here isn't on Amazon yet, but they have their first generation of it, which goes for about $60. This one goes for $80. I'm going to show you why it's really cool. You have some branding on the right side. On the back, you just have some information. It's Bluetooth. It's a 32 by 32 LED panel. You can download it with the app right here, Divoom, and that's pretty much it. And I've been using it in my live streams and stuff. It's the top most asked question during it, like what is that little display on the bottom? This is what it is. We're gonna get into it. So you have some nice foam on the top. The packaging, I'm really impressed with it. Right here's the artboard. So let's get into it real quick. I did use this, but we can go ahead and peel off the protective sticker now. Of two, which I don't recommend peeling off the second one. I only peel off the first one. Now we're gonna put this to the side for a second, and we're gonna get into what else is here. Here we have some stickers. It says Pixel World. I love Divoom. As you can see, there's like hamburgers, emojis, many other different things here. Really cool, and with very clear instructions on everything you can do. So yeah, you can get notifications from certain apps on here. This is the website you have to go to be able to buy this. I will have a description link, which will also save you some money. So in here, as well as a little stand. So this will go on the back of the little panel, and you can be able to put it on your desk. It's Type-C, which is really good, and it's a USB, so you can charge this, and it's a braided cable, which is pretty cool. So nice that they include that. The little stand goes just like that, and it has a Divoom on the back and some more information. Where the charging port goes right there, and then right here is where you can put like hang it up. It has a power and an adjustment brightness. It's 2 buttons. So on the top, if you click the top, it's power. On the bottom, it's brightness. It took me a while to figure that out, but yeah, there it is. It's going to connect to the app, which I do have it already paired. But right here, there it goes. And then I could change the modes here. This is like a demo mode basically. And then if I click it again, it'll cycle even faster. This is one of my modes. I think it's the music mode. It's a Mandalorian helmet. And then right here you just have more, and then that's it. So yeah, there's way more in the app. There's more that I made and some other stuff, but it's cool because you can just put it right here. It's rechargeable. As you can see, it has the time and date. It doesn't say AM or PM, but you can change that like I said in the app. And this is just like a little panel, so if you want it to be one color like a light, then you can do that as well. But really cool, very nice and vibrant display, and the pixels just look really nice. The fluidity of it is just really good. And I'll get into the modes later because I'm tired. Download the app, update the device, and then you can go ahead and explore however you want and do whatever you need to do. If I were to try to make a video on this, it would take 30 minutes to an hour. So I can't possibly do that because my phone can't record that long, and it'll just be really hectic. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.